Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy domain on GoDaddy step by step. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Google. Search for GoDaddy and open the official GoDaddy website. Once the home page loads, you'll see a search box where you can look for available domain names. Now enter the domain name you want and click on Search Domains. It's always a good idea to have a few backup names ready. After searching, GoDaddy will show you which domain extensions are available. If your preferred domain is available, click Make It Yours or Add to Cart. Next, GoDaddy may show additional offers such as domain protection, professional email, and other services. Review these options carefully. If you only want the domain, you can skip the extras and continue. Now choose how long you want to register the domain. You can select 1 year or multiple years depending on your needs. Many people start with a 1 year registration and renew later if they decide to keep the website. After that, proceed to checkout. If you already have a GoDaddy account, sign in. If not, create a new account using your email address or Google account. On the checkout page, review your order details including the domain name, registration period, and total cost. Next, add your payment method. GoDaddy supports various payment options. Once the payment is successful, your domain will be registered and added to your GoDaddy account.